Good morning, traders. Alla Peters on February 28th. In front of you, Alpha Fibonacci system that reminds you very clearly the reason why system traded globally on all instruments. This is breathtaking bullish reversal that we identified many days in advance. How is it possible? War announcement in Ukraine and S&P skyrocketing? Of course, this is Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone that reminds you time and time again. Obey Alpha Fibonacci rules. Obey news due to volatility. But when day trading reversal zone correlates clearly with institutional buy zone, enjoy the ride. Stunning bullish power. How many points had S&P skyrocketed since the war announcement with Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone institutional buy point? 280 points. Is Monday, February 28th ideal? Absolutely not. It's nasty. Nasty place to be. Why? Buyers fully in charge but brick wall in front of you. This is nasty market. This is day trader's nightmare. Here's the software in the last 2 hours. Intelligent trader understands the danger of this. Why? Bullish trade reached critical target. This is reversal zone, this is bold red line. If you choose to buy, your success rate less than 20%. What is the problem? You have brick wall in front of you. Buyers remain fully in charge. Market stuck. The only intelligent thing to do to be on sideline. And that's the market. And that's the power of buying from the green zone, not shorting and exiting your long, avoiding the ugly mess in front of you right now. That's it. There is nothing in common between nasty Monday open versus spectacular Thursday. Did you buy the market post-war announcement? Or did you short the market? Did you trade with institutions? Or did you trade into brick wall? This is intelligent strategic trading. Monday open is horrific. Monday open is nasty. Buyers fully in charge as long as this support respected. Shorting the market is not a smart thing to do. Your only intelligent option to be on sidelines. If you choose to buy market this high, your success rate 20%. If price is not collapsing, you will be tested to the core. Single glimpse is all intelligent trader needs to understand. Buyers fully in charge. Market stuck in trading hell. This was trading heaven. This is trading hell. Do you know the difference? That's it. Every single chart has 0 indicators. 60 charts open on my multiple monitors. When you start trading pure price, you never need anything else ever in your life. I teach you, I coach you, how with a single glimpse know that buyers simply in charge. Single glimpse is what every single trader knows. When to enter, when to exit, when to be on sidelines. And when you adding software on top of pure price, which has Alpha Fibonacci rules, price is showing you. Bullish rally overextended, buyers fully in charge. You cannot short the market yet. But it's a world of difference if you bought here versus here. That's it. It's a world of difference if you bought on Thursday versus Monday. This is institutional entry points. This is junk. Do not overcomplicate trading. Pretty please. It is that simple. It is that pure. all identified in advance, never, ever, ever after the fact. So if I convert this chart right now to one, what do you see? This is the market. This is a problem. But buyers fully in charge. Doesn't matter if you're trading 5, 15, if you're trading 25. Any chart you choose to trade, this is not trader's heaven. This is trader's hell. We need powerful pullback. Without powerful pullback, trader will be tested to the core. Again, I convert this chart to 1. This is Monday open. It's not a pretty place to be. We need the crash, we need sell-off. If buyers remain fully in charge, trader will be tested to the core. That's it. This is the market, this is a software. This is a brick wall. To the tick, price is showing you precise stop, precise entry, precise counter trend move. If you took this extremely aggressive trade, you're taking profits off the table and your stop outside of break even. Nasty market. But where price reversed from, where target RZ is no surprise. That's it. That's Alpha Fibonacci precision during extremely aggressive and dangerous market conditions. I convert software to any chart. We discuss everything in class. Absolutely brutal, nasty open. Completely different than Thursday traders heaven. It's a brick wall. It's a red zone. It's Alpha Fibonacci reversal. You choose to buy, success rate less than 20%. Your only option to short from. But how price retraced to the stop is a very powerful reminder of very aggressive short. Single tick in day trading will make a world of difference. That's it. All the details in class after the close of the trading room. You will never, ever, ever need anything else. This is the power of the system. This is ultimate precision during nasty, horrific market conditions. But you do not have to trade S&P. You can trade euro, you can trade pound, you can trade oil, you can trade gold. Trading room open so you can see instantly precision of the system with and without software. Software developed for NinjaTrader 8, but you can trade the system on any instrument, any platform you choose. Crash from reversal zone is a beautiful news. And if the talks failed, no one is surprised. As again and again and again, I'm on live calls with multiple parts of Ukraine, including Kiev. My best childhood friend in Kiev with her husband and son. Imagine you are given a rifle, but you never shot in your life, but now you have to. A week ago, no one imagined that this will happen. It did. Life changed overnight. Ukraine caught in crossfire. This is Biden against Putin. It's black and white. So if Putin is not stopped, it's coming to US. And in front of you again and again and again, it's reversal zone. Have you seen US media reporting to us that Putin is on full nuclear alert since yesterday morning? Have you seen that? That's the news that everyone aware of if you're watching the right media channels. If not, and you're given very partial info, being in denial is not a good news. We all impacted by this event. And precision of the system showing this in front of you, instantly to the tick. This is very challenging Monday open. But again and again and again, if I bring to you extremely important instrument, this is oil. This is flawless bullish rally that reached reversal zone. Do you know what to do with your position on oil stocks? Chart present in the trading room for years. If oil is in free fall next, everyone can exhale. If oil stuck in nasty chop for the last 4 weeks, it's not a good news. So how did you do since for announcement? How did you do on this brutal Monday morning? Do you see the danger of this market? Are you prepared for the next market crash? Do you know how to trade this? Are you shocked and stunned by flawless reversals from reversal zone? By flawless precise entry, stop and targets? Nothing else is possible, only this morning. But again and again and again, to the downside this is a brick wall. But again and again and again, intelligent trader understands. Buyers remain fully in charge. Market stuck in pain. Every single short extremely aggressive. World of difference. If you're trading in this, trading hell or trading heaven. Are you aggressive trader or are you conservative, intelligent, brilliant trader? You decide. Choice is yours. So here's the events on gold. Gold is stuck. It's brick wall. Chart present in front of you for years. How gold sold off from this level. Identified months and years ahead. And again and again and again. Every single stock in bearish correction. But again and again and again. How Tesla sold off. $500 per share is no surprise. It's Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. All precise. How Apple stock in bearish correction, selling off $30+ per share. It's Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. All precise. Amazon collapsed the worst, but again, it's Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. Amazon collapsed more than $1,000 per share. But again and again and again, it's exact same thing you're witnessing this morning on S&P. Agree? To the tick. If you've been paying attention to Bitcoin for the last 2 years, this is Bitcoin with Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. Again, my favorite event in the last year and a half is Bitcoin. If I take you back on Bitcoin all the way to 2020. Look at that, December 2020, Bitcoin. Global convention announced in Miami. Bitcoin heading to reversal zone. Many months in advance, you understand, global convention or not, this is not the place to buy Bitcoin. This is a place to exit your long. That if Bitcoin crashes through this level, Bitcoin in free fall. Global convention in Miami. Mayor of Miami announcing you can pay your real estate taxes with Bitcoin, but Bitcoin collapsing 65%, of course. Respect news due to volatility. Everything else is noise. How Bitcoin skyrocketed from critical Alpha Fibonacci support is exact same thing you're witnessing this morning on S&P. And how Bitcoin sold off again is a stunning reminder. Play by Alpha Fibonacci rules and you will never need another system ever again. With the power of the system you can ride crashes and rallies on Bitcoin. Agree? This is Lifeline on Bitcoin. But first things are first. This is your trading range. Bitcoin stock in traders hell, not traders heaven. Doing exact same thing as S&P. So here's the results from one of our students, Theo, in Australia. Genius of a trader. Absolutely brilliant move. Look at the trade management. Bitcoin 85,000, loss 107 pips on euro. Theo trading it all. Doesn't matter to him if it's futures, if it's Forex, if it's Bitcoin. Price is exactly the same on all instruments. Pablo shorted Nasdaq last month. 307 points. More and more emails coming from students from all over the world. And this is one of the best compliments I have ever received, as James shared. All the previous courses, all the previous software is nothing compared to Alpha Fibonacci System. As James said, could have saved nearly 200k in expenses that only resulted in frustration and loss. That's it. And when mom with 2 little babies at home, on her hands, killing it on Nasdaq, it shows you the power of the system. As again and again and again, S&P stock in excruciating pain. Richard, genius of a trader, trading with 100% success rate. Have you listened to his podcast? Have you? Richard will do just fine during his retirement. Richard currently in the course. This is one of his statements that Richard keeps sharing, pouring non-stop. How do you trade? Are you prepared for the next crash? What you will see next in the markets you have never seen before. How you will manage markets will determine your success forever. For top 1%, crisis is a beautiful thing. Why? It creates power. This morning we're looking at weakness. We're not looking at power. So my students are dearest friends for life. We all checking in right now. Steve, emergency room doctor in Texas, will do just fine. If it's Bitcoin or if it's commodities or if it's metals. Mustafa, my dearest student in Saudi Arabia, will do just fine. War or not. You decide what you want to trade. Is it oil stocks? Or is it S&P mini future? Or is it Dow? Dominic, very well prepared for the next crisis. His father brought him to the course. His father Andy hedge fund manager trading system long term. Dominic loves to day trade the system. What you decide to trade, absolutely your choice. As again and again and again, Alpha Fibonacci system applies to all instruments, all time frames. Separate traders' heaven from traders' hell. And when you do, the skies are the limit. You can trade during any and every crisis. Crisis is always opportunity for top 1%. Price keeps doing exactly what we expected. Buyers remain fully in charge. If I will change this chart to 1, what do you see? This is trader's hell. It is not trader's heaven. Without powerful pullback, these brutal conditions are here to stay. Can you separate traders heaven from traders hell? Are you prepared for historical events? This is new world. It is here to stay. It is Putin against Biden. Ukraine caught in the middle. And when market will crash, with a crash you never seen before, you will take advantage of this market. And when market will rally, with rally you have never seen before, you will take advantage of it. Price reminding you again and again and again. War announcement or not, Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone prepared, you to buy institutional buy points. War announcement this Thursday. Of course, we knew this hours, days, weeks and months in advance. And that's thousands and thousands of emails from my students from all over the world. It never gets old, I promise. Including one I shared from Moscow this morning to my students. Because average human being caught by this war, including in Moscow, losing everything. So if you are trading Alpha Fibonacci system and dollar does not collapse 99%, you are in excellent shape. Celebrate that moment and pray for this war to end, because it's not good for any of us. We all are impacted. And if you are trading Alpha Fibonacci system, you understand the difference between market being here versus here. This is straight as hell, this is straight as heaven. And that makes a world of difference. So here we are, stuck in ultimate chop. Did you know that? Do you understand the difference? Are you prepared for the next crisis? This is institutional chart. This is where market reversed from. This is your most important chart. We're stuck in massive bearish correction. If you shorted the market, you shorted from here. This is what I teach in the live classes for the last 11 years. I live and breathe what I do. If this support is out, market in free fall. This support to follow, this is next. And when this will happen, it will happen at the speed we have never seen before. 4100 is lifeline for US markets. Say your prayers, please. This is where buying came from. This is brick wall to the upside. 4500, 4100 levels. This war is not good for any of us. But if you think and trade as top 1% does, you've been buying the markets at 4100. You never ever shorted near. And for that reason you understand, buyers fully in charge. Do you remember what we discussed? That's it. Market not collapsing. Trader tested to the core. War or not. Understand and trade pure price. And when you do, the sky's as a limit. I'm teaching live class after the close of the trading room. I continue developing strategies, systems and software. I live and breathe what I do. I promise you, if you make an effort, you will never need anything else. No matter if it's Bitcoin, Amazon or oil. Look at this, trade as hell. You are reminded with every single tick. Stress is not good for you, war or not. Separate trade as heaven from trade as hell. Do not be caught up in the middle. Do not be Ukraine. So these junky market conditions can last for hours. We need sell-off, we need the crash, and again, it doesn't matter what chart you trade. I agree, it's a reversal zone. If you choose to buy here, your success rate less than 20%. Here comes the crash. Is the official announcement coming out that all the talks failed? Have you known this for the last few hours? Market will respond, of course. War announcement or not. Obey the rules and trade from these levels, never ever into these levels. I agree? Do not overcomplicate trading, pretty please. It's a red zone, not the place to enter, the place to exit your long. This is the level that's holding the key. We need the crash, we need sell-off. This is software in front of you. This is junky, dangerous market. Your only option to short, but it is an aggressive option. Because if this support remains intact, sellers are weak, sellers not powerful. It's black and white. It's a reversal zone. And if we will finally crash and burn, it's a beautiful news. Single glimpse is all you need to know. Buyers remain fully in charge, sellers are worthless. The only option, counter trend short. There is nothing else that's possible this morning. Correct? Black and white. We're stuck here. Sellers are weak. So if you would like to see software in the live market, please sign up for Trading Room invitation on the website. If you would like to join us, this will change your life, but of course you need to make an effort. If you're done chasing indicators, if you're done being majority of traders, if you're done gambling, I look forward working with you. I will be coaching you with exact same rules I coach two JP Morgan traders who are trading Alpha Fibonacci System. With or without software. You decide if you want to trade futures, Forex, stocks, or options, or crypto, or mutual funds, or ETFs, or instruments I've never even heard of. If it has price, Alpha Fibonacci rules apply. Listen to students' podcasts, view students' performance, and choose from system appropriate for you. Lifetime system or software for Ninja 8 for any platform with group course. Private mentoring, I have one space available. Private mentoring also includes it all. In private mentoring, I test you, I quiz you, I show you your flaws and your strengths. Most importantly, by the time you're done with private mentoring. Group course video library modules included in every single option. And if you invite me to your wedding, even if you are in Italy or Spain or Morocco, do not be surprised if I come. I just came back from Dubai meeting with students. So please make an effort, and the sky's the limit if you are trading Alpha Fibonacci System in US and globally. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you traders so much for historical morning. Please make an effort and be prepared for another extreme historical event. And when you are, you will take advantage of the next crisis. It's only a beginning of the new world. Protect your account. Be a brilliant, intelligent trader. Stop gambling. The events of the war announcement, when S&P skyrocketed 280 points, it is not happening this morning. It is not. We're at reversal zone, not the place to buy, the place to exit your long. And that's very dangerous Monday open. And that's spectacular, breathtaking Thursday. How you adjust to market conditions will determine your trading for years to come, war or not. Trade pure price with Alpha Fibonacci system, and the skies are the limit. Thank you so much, everyone.